is wrong with this kid? What is Daddy got? Chocolate on his finger?
Peekaboo, I see you. She's trying to bite me. Ow.
Does he have top teeth now? No.
No, but he's biting with them bottom teeth. There must be something on my hands.
Okay, now you're just a weirdo, Aiden. Aiden. Aiden.
Tommy.
See, when he pushes it, it won't. That's why. Aiden, when you get older, Mommy's going to show you this video. Hi, man.
I only thing I did was make
Aiden.
the food. I made the food earlier.